Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we're creating terminal operating system in Visual Studio in Visual Basic. Yes, this is a remake. I will put link in code in description, this link in description, and you can find this on our GitHub where we put this TerminalOS free, but you can copy this is by copyright, but you can learn something from this. First, you need to open up Visual Studio. Yes, it uses CPU a little bit. When you open Visual Studio, create new project. Search here Visual Basic. Also, you need .NET pack installer. Just see what you need to install it before you can run this. Click here modify. Maybe you need to update Visual Studio. Sometimes don't work if you don't update. Current version is 16.11.3. Yeah, you need this .NET desktop development. We are building VPF, Windows Forms, and console application using C#, Visual Basic, and F#, with .NET and .NET Framework. This is required. We can close this, and also we can close this. Console application. This is Visual Basic. This is for Windows. So you know this is for Windows. Console application, but in C and C++ you have forever. So yeah, it says Linux, but this one's for Windows. But okay, you know in C++. If you create in C++, you will have Linux, but we are in Visual Basic because Visual Basic is much easier for beginners than C++, but you can learn C++. It's very good to learn C++, but let's create a project which will name TerminalOS. So yeah, we're creating TerminalOS. Next, we can use long-term support. It's just basic. It's very basic. Yes, it's not now using the CPU lots. We wait. If you have old PC, it will. We need to wait, and we have everything here. So, as you can see, we have here apply code changes, which we have in but and yeah, we will be just build the program. But we can choose VSL. Oh yeah, you need to install VSL distribution. Let's see this. Well, you can do it for Linux, and will be do for Linux. I have here Ubuntu console. You don't know. I need to wait. If you're the Net Core 5.0, you need that, so you need Net Core everywhere. If you work in Visual Studio and blah blah blah, you know you need to wait. Why not wait? Oh. happens? Else, yeah, we just will check. Put those repos. Terminal. Bing bang. We have only Access app right now, but it works if you put this in VSL. But we are now on the Windows. So here we have import systems, model program, submit, and we will put console, read line. So we have open console at time, so it doesn't close. Yes, it doesn't close, and this is Visual Studio stuff. We do it when we can now works. So we'll put C while true and while. Let's see, this works. Yes, but we need, yeah, it doesn't work. It's not. And we actually put console read line. Let's see if this works. Yes, this works. We don't need this. We can hear put dim input as string equals nothing. Nothing. Oh, sorry. Then input equals console read line, save and run. So it was good, but yeah. On Shift-0. Tako da ćemo maknuti iz trua. Tako. O, došlo su. Zanimljivo. Just to say, here is not source code, so I will put source code somewhere. I'll link source code in description, so here is not. Yeah, it's not right lines, right? You can also put this to while true. Here. Yes, here it works. But yes, it works like this. And it works. But we can put this in other sub command. Call this command Yes, it works. Then here we check command. So if input equals primer apple, then and if not this, it's this, then we type console dot write line command is invalid. Apple command is invalid. But we will be type all the strings which we can types. So we have commands, premier cd premier, let's make it time color red console dot foreground color equals color console color dot red. It's here. Then if input equals color dot here for a color green, then console dot equals console dot green color dot green. It's not elif, it's else if. It's not this, it's this. See, right, and then you can play with this, but we will be at net, so we'll be pinging, so copy this. We do pinging now, sub ping, and copy code, copy this code, and change it a little bit. Call not terminal, we will call main, but we can call main right now. We need to delete this, and we don't need anymore. this here is and can run, and then here else if input equals pink then console we just call pink sap pink google.com, and this is based for console pinging. Yes, and that's it for this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe. See you later.